What are you doing?
Uh,
You hanging out on your cowboy boots on the wrong feet?
yeah.
It's May. Why are you in Christmas jammies?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Okay, so we just bought a Yakima Hangover, what they call 6, because I got 6 people. We're trying to mountain bike all over the place. And what do we have out here?
Hose!
Master Chi-Chi himself. Holy smokes, man. This thing's not even close to assembled, is it?
Yeah.
So we've got to figure out how to put this whole rig together. Ty just bought one of these.
He did?
And he has it as a 4.
But he has a truck.
I know, he's going to do a pad in the truck, and on the Subaru he's going to do this.
Oh.
But here's the deal.
Yeah.
One of the pieces, I'm going to show you when we do this.
Okay.
Needs to be quick release so you can raise and lower the top, and so we figured it out. And so we're going to put that on
Alright.
this
I'm down.
thing. So now we got to, I guess, figure out how to put this together.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Alright.
Now, there's a few videos online about how to put these things together. Plus, they came with really, really good instructions. It's not that hard. So I'm not going to bore you with all the details of step 1, step 2, step 3. It's pretty easy. I mean, you're putting on the top bar, you're putting on the bottom bar, and then you're just connecting all of those different things on top. But so now you're just getting the time lapse.
So we got it all on. It's pretty easy to put together. The instructions are straightforward. That's why we didn't do like a tutorial on how to put it together. But here's one flaw that I found with this bike rack. Ty had the same thing. We both bought it at the same time. And here's the deal. Come look. When you have the bikes in place on the car, this needs to be fully extended. But watch, even when this is tight, you have play here. Yakima, why did you not make just an adjustable pin here that we could pull out and slide this thing up and down? Because when I'm driving around town, back up, Chase, look, I don't want this thing sticking way over the roof, and it looks terrible. So listen, Ace Hardware, like a $5 fix. Watch, I take these out, and I'll show you what we're gonna do. These were 13 millimeters, FYI.
Let's go.
Let's go. Teddy in his Christmas jammies and cowboy hat.
Oh. I don't have my cowboy hat.
Why not?
Okay.
Come on, dude.
Come on, get your cowboy hat on.
You need to step up your game.
Go get your cowboy hat on and show us, can you?
No.
No? Okay.
All right, check this out. Ace Hardware, I went and bought a knob, but watch, this is like a 5/16, I think. 5/16 or 3/8, I don't know. But watch what I do. I take this stuff off, I slide that in, and that is now gonna hold the hex in place perfectly, so I can use this as a knob. I put this on the washer, and now I got another knob that's threaded for this side. That, folks, is an M8 by 1.25. And now watch, if I want to make this thing go up and down, look how easy this is once it's in here. It's not heavy. Anybody can do this to set the height that you want. But now, if I want to just make this thing a quick release, well, it might be like $8 at Ace. It's like $4 a piece. Now watch, I can just slide this guy through. And now I just use the knob.
30 minutes. No, 1 minute.
First time, it's not going to stick out very far. But once I get it on, it'll actually...
Pull through.
It'll suck it into place on that non-threaded knob. And you know what? This looks pretty close to stock. See, I can feel that with my finger pulling through now. And now watch, instead of every time I want to raise and lower this, pulling out my ratchet set, I just get this as tight as I want with my fingers.
It ain't moving.
And it's the same. It's the same. So now when I want to go ahead and raise it up and lower it, I pull that out, throw it up, throw it down, and look at it. It looks pretty freaking stock.
Looks beautiful, doesn't it?
Well, what I might do is if I go back and I find one that matches, I'll get them matching on each side, but I don't really care. So now it's not unsightly when you cruise up and down the road, because watch, if I go to the top height, let's pull this thing back out. The one thing you got to watch when you do this is that washer, because this is plastic, so we want to make sure we have a washer, okay? Pull that out. I like to go like this, so I'm not losing it all. Set it to the side. Let's see, Chase. What's the height that we need to be at?
High. I don't know.
Highest? I don't know. All right, let's try this one. Here,
That's
give me-
pretty high, man.
Here, give it to me. Here, undo that
Okay.
and take one of these washers. I guess this is the hard part, right?
Yeah.
Is how many hands do you have? Take one of those washers. and go through. Actually, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go right-handed because that's just easier for me because I'm right-handed.
Washer. Boom.
Here's my point. If we're gonna load bikes on this sucker, that's fine, great. I just don't want to be that high when I'm cruising around town. That looks stupid.
But we're gonna put bikes on it.
But it takes me 2 seconds to you know, raise and lower it.
Yeah. Go ahead.
All right, so we raised it to where we think, which is like the second setting. But let's see, I don't know, I haven't done this before. But look, what I love about this rack, is you can put groceries in or anything else. You can come back on. Here's what we want to try, Chase. Let's see if this thing will open all the way here.
No.
Yeah, watch, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling good about it.
Oh.
Oh, that was close.
Dude, barely.
Okay, but we know it works. We know it works on the first click.
Dude, that's ridiculously close.
Perfect. Okay, that's on a Tahoe. Well, so you want to go one more? All the way down. Which is where I think I'm going to load the bikes.
Yeah.
Just regular 2018 Specialized rock hoppers.
Stump jumper for you.
That's what it is. It's the stump jumper. It's the yump stumper.
Yump stumper.
Stump yumper.
How do we even get this on? I'm very confused, but I'm about to find out.
Easy peasy, right? We just come here. These things need to be up, I guess. It goes to the fork. And it turns. Did it turn? Kind of turns. Dude, that barely turns. Like, how are we supposed to do this? Oh, because I'm at a weird angle. Let's go up one. So there it is. Like so. And let's get these guys to just come down.
That was me.
I thought it went on your wheel. It's cool. It's right on your fork.
And that guy comes through.
Beauty.
And we're gonna get super fast at this.
Eventually.
But dude, that ain't bad for first roll. All right, now here's my question. That guy's on there good. Can we go full up position?
Kate, where did Kate go?
The answer is yes on that bike, but I guarantee no on the rest.
Where did Kate go?
We're gonna have to drive, dude, in this position where the bikes will be vertical, but the rack will not.
That's okay, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, cool beans.
Okay, next one, you're gonna do this one.
All right, I'll try it.
Okay, hold on. Pull these out.
He's out of there.
Okay, chase attempt. This is a large
Oh.
pitch. Hey, grab, yeah, the fork. Is that too high for you to get? Okay, get it all the way up on that fork. Okay.
Is that good?
Yep, set her down.
Oh, man.
Let it come all the way in.
I did it.
All right.
I wasn't thinking I would be able to do it.
Okay, just get that thing kind of loose. And then get your top thing done.
Yep.
Look, we got actually quite a bit of clearance there.
Oh, I got straps up under here.
It's okay. Hey, if that's too tall for you to get, hit that foot thing, man.
I got it.
Yeah, but you're kind of struggling on your tippy toes.
Oh, bro, I'm struggling. Not struggling at all.
Oh, there you go. That's one.
There we go.
All right, Graham. You're going to get your bike next, okay? And you're going to do it.
I'm tired.
Well, let's see if you can do it.
First run for Chase.
Those things, dude, when it's hot, are going to be a lot easier. Come on, Chaser. It's like telling the chicken to get out of the
go.
egg. Can't help them. All right, and tighten it down.
Here we go.
Okay. I mean, the bike's leaning a little bit that way,
Sure, we're fine.
but if we do this later, we'll just...
Take it down a notch, will you?
Hey.
Yeah, take it down a notch for him. Let's see what happens. And then we can raise it once he gets it in. Hit it down, kind of push up, Chase. There, bring it on down slow.
This is gonna be heavy with a lot of bikes on here.
Well, that's why you do all them push-ups. All right, Grant.
Yeah, sure. Let's tell all you two I do a lot of push-ups.
Hey, which one do you want to do? Right here?
Yeah. Let's get all of them close. I mean, Why not?
Okay, remember, grab from your fork. Fork and
Seat.
down frame. All right, Grant's 11.
And I'm weak.
No, come on, man.
What's wrong?
Really?
Yeah.
Come on, buddy. All right, Chase, tag in. Help your bro.
All right, bro. Here, ready? He's ready. Boom. Holy, why is your bike so heavy?
Hey, you're also hitting there. Oh, now you're scratching up levers.
Where does it go? I'm so confused.
So these guys, this will show you, it's not the easiest thing to do, but it can be done. Lift
I
up,
don't even know where
lift
it
it up.
goes. Where does it
Come on,
go?
Chase, lift it up over this.
Oh, does it go sliding here?
Right there. That's where you need to be. And then on the fork. We're testing out, hey!
What?
We're testing out a new rack, man.
You guys going today?
I don't know.
My bike like that.
We're testing her out, Joseph.
Nice.
What are you doing?
We go shoot.
Yeah, dude.
Morgan.
Okay, cool.
Morgan's gun. She got a little pea shooter.
All right. Say hi, YouTubes.
Hi, YouTube.
See ya.
Oh, wait. Not the easiest thing.
There you go. You got it.
What the heck? He's right. Boom. It like wants to go, but then it just stops.
Here, let me do that. You guys did the hard part. I'll do the strap. Oh, put your hand right there. Crush it. Okay. Well, let's just do this.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, there you go. Pull it hard, bud.
It was in there.
So I kind of like the angle that they're on. I don't even think we need to redo much.
Yeah. I can do Tater's
Look,
bike.
they're not rubbing.
Yeah, but if you have like a new fork or something, I feel like that would be a little bit concerning to some people.
Should we put mine, that's the heaviest bike, maybe right here? So we're not just hitting this side of the thing.
I think we're good. All right, I think it's actually pretty cool.
Look at that. We even Jimmy rigged this one on there. I mean, it's not how it's supposed to be, but we made it work.
What we were saying is maybe we could have all the bikes on here and just spray them off, and it would just be way quick. Also, I don't even know why they have 3 of these things. There's going to be 0 forks that are that small. If this little tiny fork fits on the third one, any fork will fit on the third one. But
You know what, though? I think as it gets hotter, those will stretch out and they get older.
yeah, true. It's a nice rack, though. I love it.
The adventure rig.
Yeah. Take these things wherever you want. 6 of them.
Look, we had to be on the like 45-degree setting, back, like it has to be back to get this to work. But cool, watch this. This one will go up even with all the tires on it.
Barely.
Yeah, we wouldn't be able to do much with the other one unless we put it back, but I can't imagine even trying to put it back right now.
Oh, dude, that would be so heavy.
We can try. Want to try?
Nope.
Dad, do we have exactly
Let's
much?
try.
That's
No,
heavy.
Grant, don't.
Those aren't the packing peanuts you can eat, buddy. That's just styrofoam. What are you doing?
Wipe it off. Wipe it
Teddy
off.
tracks over here.
We got little Teddy tracks. We got Grant Man.
Okay. All right, we're gonna do our maiden voyage here. See how it
And we
goes.
got